Even more development is coming from UNMC. Tuesday, City Council approved a new parking facility that's a part of their Catalyst project. I'm Hannah McElroy here in Elmwood, speaking with neighbors that say all of this new development is affecting their everyday life.
For my husband and I, we both kind of can't avoid it in order to get to work, so adds probably a good 10 minutes every morning to and from. It also just feels a little more dangerous, admittedly.
Neighbor Courtney Klebb started living in this neighborhood before construction began and says as it keeps creeping closer and closer to their neighborhood, some drivers look to avoid the traffic by cutting through their street, putting neighborhood kids and pets in danger.
A lot of the traffic gets diverted off onto this road, so especially late at night, we have a lot of I would assume drunk drivers that aren't really paying attention or realize this is a really residential area, so they go really fast, and it's kind of a problem when you're walking your dogs.
And some of the drivers looking for a quick detour end up in an unlikely destination.
But I think it's been maybe twice or three times now we've had, I think one of them was a drunk driver that went into the actual construction and broke a water main, so we didn't have water for one night just because, somebody wasn't paying attention to the road signals and the construction.
Neighbors also tell us that they're happy the medical center is expanding and that they get to help more people, but they don't want their voices to go unheard. I'm Hannah McElroy, your Elmwood neighborhood reporter.